Hello techies, in today's video we are going to learn how to set up Java JDK on Windows 11, and after that we will set up the environment variables to apply these changes, and after setting the environment variables we will run our first Java program. So let's start. So go to the browser and here search for Java JDK, download and go with the first website, that is javaoracle.com. And Java 22 is the latest version, so we will install it on Windows. So navigate to the Windows tab, and from here you have three options. First one is archive file, and then installer, then MSI installer. So we will go with the installer file. So to download this, click on this link. So the download has been started here. So I'm not going to download this again because I have installed it. I have downloaded it already. So that's why I will go to the file manager and see, this is the application Java JDK, the 22, the latest version. So double click on it to install. Click on the yes option. Click on the next button, next, and the installation process has been started. So wait for a while until it is not installed successfully. So this is successfully installed. You can see the message here. Now click on the close button. So you have installed the Java JDK 22 and the latest version on your system. After that, you need to set the path of the Java JDK. For this, go to the file manager, go to the C drive, users, and here you can see app data folder, roaming, and search for the Java JDK file. So I think this file is I think it is in program files. So see, this is the Java folder here. Click on this JDK 2022 folder and click on this bin folder. Now copy this path from here and in the search box search for environment variables and hit the enter button to open this. Click on this environment variables and go to this path and double click on it. Now click on this new option and paste that copied path here. Click on this OK button, again OK, and again OK. Now the path has been set up. Now you have to verify that Java JDK has been installed or not. For this, open the command prompt by typing cmd in the search box, and here write Java _version and see The Java 22.0.2 version has been installed, and this is the latest Java JDK version. Now we will learn how to run the first Java program here. So for this, we'll create a new text document file, and name this like I am renaming this by takeytube.java. Okay, and open this file with the notepad, or you can open this with Visual Studio Code as well as. So I am going to editing it notepad, and here we will write the basics Java program to run the hello world. So we will first make a class, and the class name you can keep anything. I am going to keeping my YouTube channel, so that is takeytube. And here we will write the basic code like public static void main, string arguments, and here we will print the code. So for printing the line of code, we use system.out.println, and in the parenthesis we use double inverted comma, and here we will write hello Java, and just save as. I'm going to save on the desktop. Select here the all files, and now insert the extension .java. Now click on this save button. So it is already exists. So do you want to replace it? Then click on the yes button. If the Java logo is not showing here, so no need to worry, we will verify later. Now go to the command prompt, and where it is this file is located, so it is located on the desktop. So change the directory to desktop, why it is showing error. Okay, okay, write java c, and the file name was takeytube, and then write the extension .java and hit the enter button. It is showing file not found, takeytube.java uses java c options, source files. Okay, Okay, close all and search for command prompt and right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, now here verify that Java is downloaded or not. So type Java double hyphen version. Okay, now compile that file java c takeytube.java. Change directory to the desktop. Okay, no problem. Right click here on the desktop and click on this open in terminal. So now you are on the desktop. Here compile that file. So why it is showing that takeytube? Okay, so because we have written this takeytube in the all the small characters, that's why it is showing the error. Again type java c takeytube.java and hit the enter button. Okay, again it is showing error. Why? So open this file in the Visual Studio Code, and from here we will save this file as .java extension. Save as on the desktop. Select this Java from here and write here takeytube.java. You can ignore this extension because you have selected now this Java extension. So now click on this save button and see this Java file has been created. Okay, see this Java file. Delete this file from here. Now again go to the command prompt and type here java c, that is used to Java compiler, java c takeytube.java. Okay, so see here it is showing that this semicolon is expected here, and we have missed that semicolon. So we will insert here the semicolon and again Control S to save this file. And if again we are compiling this Java file java c takeytube.java, so now it will be run successfully. So this Java file has been compiled. Now we will run this file to see the output that we have written in the file. For this, simply type Java and the file name. File name was takeytube. Okay, no class def found error, takeytube, wrong name. Okay, so you need to concern about that. If you have written this class name here, this takeytube, and just we have used this T as a capital letter, so you need to write here the same name. So Java and this like write like this. Okay, takeytube. Now it will be run. So see this hello Java is showing here. Okay, so we have seen the many errors has came in our file while running that code, running that Java file. So you have seen that how to sort out with these errors, that you need to write the exact code, correct code like Java C and the file name and the correct extension name. Okay, and after compiling that Java file, you need to put here the class name, not the file name. You need to just here put the class name that you have used in your Java code. When you create the class, like we have created this TinyTube, and you need to use as well as that is written here. So these are the points that you have to keep in your mind while running your first Java code. So these are the procedures that how to install Java JDK version, latest version on your system, and after that we have seen how to set the environment variables of that Java file, and then in the last we have also seen the how to run the first Java program. Okay, so I think you like this video. Your expectation in this video has been completed. So thank you so much for watching this video.